Spacelift stacks connect the source code to managed resources. When using Terraform, each stack maps to a single state file. Note that while we offer a state backend for Terraform, Spacelift will happily work with your existing state as long as it's accessible from the worker. Let's now go through some of the settings that we can specify on the stack. First, let's explain what an administrative stack is. An administrative stack is a stack that can programmatically manage other Spacelift resources. We designed Spacelift API first, so our GraphQL API can also drive everything you can accomplish through the GUI. On top of that API, we have Terraform and Pulumi resource providers, which in turn allow Spacelift to manage itself declaratively. Next is the worker pool. Like many modern CI/CD platforms, Spacelift can work in a decentralized mode. By default, we maintain a shared pool of workers available to all users. It's convenient, but it also gives us indirect access to your infrastructure. The alternative is to host Spacelift workers yourself and have them subscribe to the control plane for job events. The important thing with that setup is that it's your worker that makes the final decision on whether to accept or reject a job. So even if our system was compromised, you are still safe. Next, let's briefly look at the project root. We know that many of our customers love monorepos, so we support pointing a project to a specific folder within the repository. The project root setting can later be combined with push policies, allowing you to explicitly ignore changes that don't affect individual stacks, which in turn drastically reduces the noise on your pull requests. The last thing on this screen we're going to focus on is the runner image. Like most modern platforms, Spacelift executes its jobs in Docker containers. If you need a custom runtime environment or some non-standard tooling, you can create a custom Docker image and point your worker to it.